Hello everyone. In this series, we will be learning a few must-have Excel skills which that each one of has to possess, which are essential and required for each one of us. So the first topic we will be discussing is data filtering. So with the help of data filtering, we can sort, hide, and search the data effectively. So let's understand this with an example. Here I have a sample file which has some data. So to start, so the first step to add the filters is go to data. Here you find the filter icon, click on filter. As soon as you click on the filter, you will find this drop down appended to each and every of the column, each column. So if you see here, it got added to every column of the Excel sheet. So if you click on this, it will give you so many options. Like for example, sort A to Z, which it will sort the data in the ascending order. Look at here, it's sorted in the ascending order. And if you want, the second option is from Z to A, which mentions about the descending order. And we have another option like sort by color, text filters, and many other options like this. So to clear the data here, so here this implies that the filter is applied to this column. So to clear this, just go to clear option here. You can find the clear icon. Just click on clear. This is going to clear the filter option on this column. So now let me apply the sort. I just want to sort the data only the segment which is having government. Okay. So I am selecting the government. First deselect everything and select the option which you want to apply on this on this column. Okay. So now I want to use the government. Now I want to display the data which has only the government option in the segment. So I am choosing the government and click OK. So look at here, the data got filtered. Everything that is related to the government is displayed on the console. Now again, to remove this, you can either go here, clear filter from the segment, or you can just click on the clear option here, either this or this. Both will yield the same result. So I am using this clear filter from the segment. So there are few other options. Let's explore them as well. Now I want, let's go to the column country using the text filter. So we can also filter the data using the text filter. That is, if the text is equal to, does not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain a custom filter. Okay, for example, let me take this begins with. Now if I want the data of the country which starts with GER. So the country has to begin with the words GER. Let's see if it's gonna apply or not. Click OK. So look at here. Now the country which starts, whose name starts with GER, the data got filtered accordingly. So this is about the text filters. Let us clear the filter from the country. And now we can also do this for the numbers. So if you see here, first deselect this number filters. I want the numbers or the sales which are greater than, okay, sales which are greater than 2 lakhs. Okay, let me just give the number 2 lakhs. Okay, okay, when I say okay, look at here, all the numbers which are greater than 2 lakhs are displayed in this column. Okay, and you can also apply the filter on the two columns simultaneously. For example, here I have the sales. Now the data, now the data I have is the sales which is greater than 2 lakhs. Now I want a country only France to be displayed. So I'll deselect everything and just click on France. Now I will get the data where country is France and whose sales is greater than 2 lakhs. Okay, let me click OK. Look at here. I just the data now it got displayed. It has the country as France. See, look at, I'll drag down. You can see now the country is only France, and the sales value, if you see here, it is all greater than 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is how the data filtering can be applied on the data. Now you can remove directly. All the filters can be removed just by clicking the filter. Now look at here, everything has gone. And if you want to do it individually, when the filter is here, you can either click on clear or you just click on the drop down, which will give you the options clear the filter. So though both those options will work perfectly fine. So this is about the data filtering concept. So in the next class, we will be understanding about some other topic of Excel. So until then, thank you.